Hello learners, today we are going to learn how to operate our app. So when you will download our app, you will see this interface. This has three options of home, store and chats. So you have to just click on the store. You will see all the courses that we have offered. You can click on your preferred course and you will see overview, content, live class and announcements. To get access of all the live classes, you have to click on live class and you will see all the recordings of all the live classes that have been previously uploaded. To get access to all the contents, you just have to click on content. You will see all the materials that have been provided. For example, if I open one of these materials, for example, this is reasoning, you just have to click and you will get access to all the contents that have been uploaded. Just have to click back and you will see all the other contents that are available for you. To get the access of live classes, you just have to come to the overview. You have to slide little down and you will see all the scheduled and upcoming classes. For example, here it is Indian history that has been scheduled for today. For test, you just have to click on content. You will see the sectional test here. You just have to click and you will get access to all the tests that have been uploaded. For example, if I click on this test, you will see that we have the test like this. So the good thing about this is we have in English also and we have tests in Assamese also. So it is going to be helpful for you as we are providing bilingual tests and bilingual PDFs also. For easier access to test, you just have to come to overview. You will see videos, files and test. You just have to click on test and you will again get the same access once again. So any which ways you can get the access of test. So this was it. Thank you and happy learning.